Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really different, and this video is actually a sponsored video. Usually I don't do sponsored videos on my channel unless and until I really like the product or the company. So this video is actually sponsored by Online Makeup Academy. I'm going to mention all the details about their website in the description box. You can check the description box for all the details. So Online Makeup Academy is actually a makeup academy where you can enroll for different courses online, and you don't have to go out anywhere. You can do the courses anywhere you want, and they are providing different types of courses for advanced level, for basic level, as well as hairstyling as well. So I'm going to show you guys all the courses they have, and then I'm going to share with you guys the kit which they have actually sent me. So they do have makeup kits on their website as well with very good quality and high-end products. So the thing is, I'm not a certified makeup artist. I don't have any certification, but I really wanted to do a certification in makeup, and before they actually have approached me, I've already searched about a lot of courses and I've already seen their website. So I've already gone through all the courses, so I can show you the courses are very affordable, because when you compare them with outside courses, if you go out and do courses, they're going to cost you more than $2,000, I can assure you. So if you want to do a professional certification in makeup, and that too sitting at home, it's a very good option, because these days obviously you don't want to go out because of COVID. It's not safe for you. So sitting at home, you can do it anywhere you want, anytime you want, and especially if you're going to college or if you have already classes online, you don't want to invest that much of time and money. So it's a very good option. You can do the assignments anytime you want. You can submit them anytime you want, and you can resubmit them. If you're not satisfied with your result, you can resubmit them again and again. So that's a very good option, and again you get tons of guidance, and you also have a mentor to guide you. If you have queries, if you have questions regarding the course, you can ask them anytime you want. So with that being said, I'm going to go through the courses first, and then I'm going to show you guys what they have actually sent me in the kit, because I have received tons of good quality products in there. If you're a professional makeup artist, you should always invest in good quality high-end products, I would say, because if you are using the products from the client, you don't want to use very cheap kind of products. And if you worry like what kind of products you should include in your makeup kit, how many colors you should have of lipstick or concealers or foundations, so in this whole website you don't have to worry about that, because they do have makeup kits as well, where you get everything from brushes to different colors of foundations, different colors of lipsticks, blushes. So everything you need under $700 you receive. So I'm going to show you guys that too. So that's I really love about that website, because you don't have to worry about the certification, and then you don't have to worry about the assignments, and then you don't have to worry about your makeup kit. You'll get everything in one website. So that's a very good option. So now I'm going to go through the website first, and then I'm going to show you guys the product. So first, when you enroll, so you have to enroll, you have to put your email ID and password. I've already put my email ID and the password. So I'm going to go through the courses quickly. So when you sign in, so here you have different online courses, as you can see. So I've already signed in. So you have free, as you can see up here, you have free Zoom classes and online makeup courses you have. And the best thing is that there's a number where you can text or call. If you have any questions regarding the course, you can call them. So here it's written, the Online Makeup Academy offers an online curriculum taught by New York City industry professionals. So they are like certified makeup artists, and become a certified makeup artist and start a successful career in the exciting industry. So this is really cool, you guys, and you don't have to go out anywhere. You just sit at your home and do these courses. So as you can see, there's a master makeup program. So it's like different cost, so you can go through the course as well. You don't have to pay upfront, you can pay monthly as well. So there's a makeup advanced course, then there's this professional makeup kit, which seriously, it's like amazing. You don't have to worry about your makeup kit, you can just buy it here. And there's like some combo as well, where you get the course along with the makeup kit, so you don't have to spend too much money on makeup kit. So I'll go through that as well. So makeup, the whole makeup kit is under $700. And then there's Career Elite Path, and I'm going to show you guys this one because this is $14.99 when you open this. So it has the makeup kit including. So when you go through the courses, so this includes a complete professional makeup education, certification. When you submit all the assignments, you'll get a certification as well. And then they have said that we have created industry guided assignments and highly encourage our students to use this opportunity to build their professional portfolio. So which is very good. Then there's different offers as well. So here you can see limited offer where you have the course along with the makeup kit. So this is around $14.99, the whole course with the makeup kit. Okay, and when you see the makeup kit, you can see how many good products they have. They have Makeup Forever, they have Inglot, false lashes also including, glitters, everything including. Then you get pro cards and discounts as well. So in this special course, you get pro cards and discounts. You receive will provide up to 40% in brands such as Makeup Forever, L'Oreal, Stila, Naked Cosmetics, Becca, Beauty Blender, Anastasia, Zucca, NYX, Smashbox. So there's tons and tons of discounts as well, which you can get from this whole course combo. So as you can see, there's like this kind of certification you'll receive at the end. So this is the Advanced Makeup Artist course and the Master Makeup Artist course. So I really like this course especially because it's including everything. So that's that. And then when you go down, you can see all the videos, live chats, and here is the little bit about the course. It says complete training curriculum. So level 1, it has master course, so different kind of modules, module 1, module 2, and the best thing is that they're going to show you guys the skin preparation as well. So when you apply makeup on the client, the skin prep is very important, and sometimes people and makeup artists, they forget that. So prepping the skin is very important. So you get skin preparation as well in the module 2. Then they're going to show you about the natural makeup, how to apply natural makeup on the client, and casual or glamour makeup, then bridal makeup as well. So there's like tons and tons of different makeup options you have for eyebrows, for strobing. Then there's level 2 of the course, then different modules in there. So you can see so many different courses. So here all the steps are written. You have to click enroll and then you have to pay, and there are 19 assignments, and upon submission of all the assignments, you'll get your final exam and then you'll receive your certification. So this is like really all the steps are including here. So payment, you can see you can pay monthly as well. You don't have to worry about like paying $1,500 upfront. So you can pay monthly. And the thing which I really like is that here it's written that you get 21-day money back guarantee. So if you're not happy within 21 days, you can just tell them and yeah, you'll get your money back. So now let's go back to the more courses which they have. So they have special FX course as well, as you can see. So this is like really amazing and amazing, you guys. I know how to do makeup, but I don't know how to do hair. So they have pro hairstyling course as well. So here when you open the course, in the course you get hair kit also, and lifetime access to all the courses and tutors, practical hands-on assignments, one-to-one guidance, and personal feedback. So this is really good when you get one-to-one personal guidance with them. So let's move on to the makeup kit. So the makeup kit include curling iron, ceramic straightener, mannequin training head, hair extensions, professional combo set, and all the different kinds of accessories which you need. And at the end again you receive a pro styling hair course certification. So you also get your different instructors. So here you have she's your instructor, she's going to be your instructor, and also whole class curriculum is there, module 1, module 2. So this is like really cool. I mean, you can see the videos again and again and you can learn with that. And the difference between these kind of courses and the YouTube videos, because you're not getting any certification from YouTube videos, right? So if you want to do a proper professional certification, you should always do a course. So for that, I would say it's a very, very good option. So again, these are all the courses. You can go through their website. Again, I'm going to mention their link in the description box. You can check that. So this is all about the courses online. Now I'm going to share with you guys the whole makeup kit. I'm going to mention all the products details in the description box as well. All the products which are including in the kit. So when you sign in, you get this kind of whole box. As you can see, it's a huge box with tons of products. So one by one, I'm going to show you guys all the products. So the first thing which you get would be a brush set. So you get all these brushes. Again, I'm going to mention everything in the description box, and the quality of these brushes are very good. And you also get this leather case as well with that. Then you also receive these eye brushes. So this small kind of kit which you can carry anywhere you want. So next, you receive foundations, and the best thing is that you receive different colors of foundations as well. So you don't have to worry about using which color on which client. So you can mix match also. So and they have actually included all the almost Makeup Forever products. So you get Makeup Forever HD foundation. So shade range is like a light, then medium. Then you also have little bit darker as well. I'll show you. So this is the most lightest shade, and then you also have this kind of darker shade. So again, you can mix these colors together and you can apply them on any shade you want. And also you are getting this kind of mixing palette where you can mix all the shades. So you don't have to worry about matching the shades. Though you receive only 4 foundations, but you can mix and match the colors, and you can make your own foundation shade, and you can apply on your clients any color, any shade you can mix and match. And again, you are getting 4 concealers as well. So again, different kind of colors, light, medium, darker and deeper shade. So I'm going to mention everything in the description box. So concealers, and then you are getting Makeup Forever primer. So this is a hydrating primer which is very good. So you can apply this. Then you have, so I'm just gonna pick up randomly. Then you also get a proper lash set which is very good, and they're very like wispy lashes. So you get that in the kit. Then you're getting 2 eyeshadow palettes. So these are the 2 eyeshadow palettes which you'll get in the makeup kit. Now let's move on to the Inglot. You're getting this lip oil from Inglot in the kit, and then there's Plasto wax. I think it's wax for the brows, and also you are getting this kind of light. So it's a ring light for your phone, which is very good for the pictures. With that, you are also getting 5 camouflage palette which has different colors of, as you can see, these are color correctors. So orange you're getting for dull skin. For every shade you have like different color of color corrector. Then there's again concealer. Then you have a bronzer from Makeup Forever, and almost products are from Makeup Forever. Then you have this Inglot setting spray. So it's like that, so really good. And after that they have this blush palette which is like really amazing. You get all these shades for deeper colors, also for medium, for fair skin, so all the colors. So you don't have to worry about which color you should use on which skin tone. So you're getting a lot of blushes options as well. Next you have this Proline Contour Blush Highlight Palette. So this is from Online Makeup Academy, as you can see. And again, different kind of colors. Variety is very good in this palette. So this is a contour palette. Oh my god, so many products. So then this is like really good. This is a lipstick palette. So you don't actually, I'm sorry, you don't have to worry about the lip shades. Tons and tons of colors you're receiving here, from shimmers, from reds. You can see the red colors, they're so pretty. So these kind of glosses gonna look really good on fair skin. Then you have deeper skin, for medium skin. So all the skin tones, you can use any shade you want from this lipstick palette. So which is like really good. You don't have to worry about all the shades, and you don't have to carry tons and tons of products with you, and you can just use one palette of lipstick and you can again mix and match the color. So these are, no, there's more. See, I almost forgot. So this one is the Inglot. I think this is the loose powder. Yeah, this is the loose powder from Inglot, and it's translucent. So really good. You get brushes, you are getting foundations of all the shades, concealers of all the shades, palettes, different blushes, different lipsticks. So it's worth the money, I would say. And again, for the cost, it's amazing. All in all, I would say I highly recommend you guys go through the courses. I'm going to mention all the details about their website in the description box. Do check the description box and do check their courses as well. If you want to be a certified makeup artist, there are tons and tons of different options. So if you like this video, do comment down below, and do like this video, share this video. And thank you so much Online Makeup Academy for sponsoring this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.